Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on a Toyota keyless key. We have this particular key, we found it to be used for models starting from 2013 up until 2019 even. Majority of the models that we found were the Toyota Yaris and the Toyota Auris. They both share this key, but there are several other models that have it as well. So if you have the keyless entry, this would be the key that you have. In order to change the battery, it's relatively simple. You have to push this button here, release the emergency blade, and with the help of the emergency blade, you can actually open the case up. And it opens in two parts. You have the board here with the battery on the back. Okay, once the battery is shown, with the help of a small flathead screwdriver, release the battery and have it changed. Okay, in our case we have a CR2032. Again, when replacing the battery, please make sure you put the positive side facing up, clip it back together, and that would be your battery changed. Okay, it only goes in one way, so just clip it together, add the emergency blade, and you're ready to go. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.